Where Harman Energy started back in 2021, we started just buying and selling with two D10s and a 777. That company sort of evolved from that point, from just those three pieces into multiple pieces and buying and selling a little bit more farther over. And then in the fall of 21, we were able to acquire the place where we're at right now, right here in Bluefield, West Virginia. So we got a shop. We actually had a home place for the first time. Our company has grew and grew since then, grew from just buying and selling to having a rental fleet. We started with, actually our first rental piece was a 993. Started with one 993 as our first rental piece, and then that went from one 993 to two 993s. So where we're at today in our rental fleet, everything from a 773 haul truck all the way up to a 789. And then on our dozers, everything from a D8 all the way up to a D11. Loaders, everything from a 980 all the way up to a 994 is what we've done. And then of course from a buying and selling and a trading standpoint, we do all that equipment above. At the core, Harman Energy is a fantastic source for used mining iron. That's been our bread and butter from the very beginning, is our used mining iron. Our ability to acquire and bring in for customers good late model used surface mining equipment. Everything from dozers, haul trucks, loaders, water trucks, anything like that. So we don't just source iron here in the U.S., we actually source iron globally. So we're able to buy iron from every continent all across the world and get it back here in the U.S. or even overseas to other customers. So our ability to source the right equipment at the right price is all over the world. We also provide on the buying and selling side is we acquire good late model equipment that's ready for its first rebuild. So we'll acquire the piece, bring it here back to the shop in Bluefield, and we'll rebuild it right here at our Bluefield shop using all CAT components with full CAT warranty. So we're able to build the machine to CAT specs and then be able to turn it out to a customer anywhere in the world and still be covered underneath CAT warranty. We do all of our own large mining bucket rebuilds here. So everything for our 992s, 993s, 994s, we actually rebuild all our own buckets. We rebuild all of our own large beds for all of our haul trucks. So we have that capability. We have everything in-house here. The biggest value of buying a good late model used mining equipment with rebuilt components is the price point. What we provide to our customers is a phenomenal value for dollars spent. So when we're dealing with mining companies that are dealing with less and less capital for CapEx, we're able to make their capital dollars go much further with what we provide. If a coal company, mining company, gold company, whatever it may be, needs a piece of equipment based on a difference in their mining plan and they need to adapt quickly, well, in traditional, as big companies are, they have to be able to approve it through their CapEx. So what we're able to do is we're able to give them a rental option where they can actually acquire the machine now, get it into production, into service, and then they have the option to turn that into a CapEx expenditure at the right time, at the right year. But our ability to provide that rental piece quickly and have it on hand for them is a huge advantage to them. Imagine if they're running a primary loader or a primary truck and they have a piece of equipment go down and they're not going to go to their local dealer and be able to just pick up a mining class piece of equipment to get them through a downtime. We're able to provide that as well. We are integrated with all of our dealers, all of our dealer network, whether it be through all the major brands that we deal with and the equipment we carry. So we partner with them on components, parts and service, and that's really a key advantage to what Harman Energy provides. So when a customer chooses Harman Energy to do business with, whether it's through the rental side or whether it's through the actual equipment purchase side, they're able to pull right up when that piece of equipment gets onto the mine site and there's a seamless connection between them and their dealer. They're already running the dealer components, dealer parts and service, so our customer is able to just seamlessly get that done right on their site. So it's a huge advantage to our customer because of our strategic partnership with our dealers. The main reason customers choose Harman Energy is because we listen to our customers, we serve our customers, we're involved with our customers. So we are out visiting our mine sites, talking with our customers every week and every month. So that's the main thing. We're talking to them, understanding what's going on and what their needs are. We'll even go visit the site. We'll come up and meet with their engineering team, their operations team, look at their pit size, what they've got laid out, what their future mine site looks like. And what we'll do is we'll then sit down with them and advise them on what we think and what we have to offer, what would work best for them, not only from a purchase price standpoint, but also an operating expense. So we're able to really lay that out for them so they can make the decision for themselves what would be best for their mine site. Our philosophy here at Harman Energy is the number one thing that we have to focus on first and foremost is the customer. If we can do that, everything else will fall right into place. So our customer always comes number one. What we would like to see Harman Energy continue to grow to is a good, trusted mining partner for our mining customers. We want to continue to grow in other metals, non-metals mining. We want to grow our footprint, not only in our buying and selling and being able to source large surface mine equipment, we also want to grow our rental fleet and give our other offerings to other aggregates, mining companies, and continue to expand here in North America.